I'll be showing you how to deploy a Svelte project in Vercel. So Vercel is free, don't worry about paying or anything. You just have to create a account in it and then everything else is free. And also I'll be deploying this project today. It has pretty basic functionalities. I built it with SvelteKit and Tailwind CSS. If you like to see how I built it, let me know. I'll try to make a tutorial on that. And let's just start with deploying process. First we'll go to package.json and then under dev dependencies you can see adapter and then auto. Just remove the auto and add Vercel, and then let me just copy that, and after that we just go to the terminal. It's just getting hosted here. I'll do command T and I'll open up another tab, and let's do npm install so that Vercel gets installed. And after that we'll go to Svelte configuration, and then here instead of auto we'll change this to Vercel as well. And after that we'll go back to our terminal and run npm run build. So yeah, that is done. Now let's we need to restart our dev process since we have installed Vercel and also built it now. I'll do Control C and I'll do npm run dev and restart this. So there it is gone, and we will add this to GitHub and then host it on ourselves. So let's create a new repository. I'm gonna call this landing page, create. So let's go initialize it in our terminal. I'll do git init, git. I'll do git status so that I can show you the files. So these are all the files that are in my folder, project folder, and I'll do git add to add all of the files. Let's do git status, and then you can see all the files that are added. And let's do git commit and -m and first commit as a message, and we'll go to GitHub and copy this command, paste it, and then git branch main, git push to branch main, and then it's gonna ask me for my username and personal access token. If you don't know how to generate your personal access token, you can go and watch my other videos that I've done on it. And I'll just do this. This is the first time that I'm pushing into my Git, that is why it's showing this, or else usually it won't ask if you've already done it once. So yeah, here, and I'll go refresh and you can see all my files, and we'll go to Vercel, and then here you can add a GitHub namespace, and then you can add your GitHub account. I have done mine, and then you can see it'll automatically take your take all the repositories that are there in your GitHub and show it here. So I'm just gonna do import, and then here we need not do anything since we have already installed everything that is needed. I'll just do deploy, and then it might take some time. It'll take some time to build, so all these has to be done. It's building, and it will show you how many seconds are left. So 14 seconds more to go. Okay. You're free to skip ahead if you were, waiting with me. Oh god, this is taking a long time. I almost want to close my other tabs and everything that is going on to help it. Okay, there we go. And then that is done. And I can just click on go to dashboard and then visit, and it's done. So it'll take your GitHub page name and then add extra things. I think we can browse. Yep. So I think we can go to settings and landing page, project name. Yeah, so here you can see all the, you know, settings, and that's it, guys. So this is how you deploy your projects on Vercel. Okay, bye bye.